Another day, another story. Local doctors have teamed up with experts from home and abroad to develop an innovative system of combining language and image artificial intelligence model for the screening, diagnosis and management of diabetes, effectively using digital technology to tackle a major chronic disease. Diabetes is one of the fast-growing chronic diseases in the world. It can cause various consequences like blindness, kidney failure, stroke and heart attack. There are over 500 million people with diabetes in the world, and 80% of them live in low and middle-income countries. China is the home of about 140 million diabetics, topping the world. Welcome to Tabo Eminent channel. Managing diabetes with digital tech innovation TI Gong. Local doctors have teamed up with experts from home and abroad to develop an innovative project of combining language and image AI model for diabetes screening, diagnosis and management. The study was published in the world-leading journal Nature Medicine. Primary diabetes care and diabetic retinopathy, screening persist as major public health challenges due to a shortage of trained primary care physicians, particularly in low-resource settings, posing a big challenge to the public health system, both in China and the world. Doctor is a major diabetes-led eye complication leading to vision injury and even blindness. To bridge the gaps, experts from Shanghai No. 6 People's Hospital led a project to develop an integrated image language system DeepDR LLM, combining a large language model, LLM module, and image-based deep learning, DeepDR transformer, to provide individualized diabetes management recommendations to primary physicians at the grassroots. In a retrospective evaluation, the system showed great effects in assisting primary physicians. For identifying referable DR, the average primary physician's accuracy was 81% unassisted and 92.3% with the assistance of the system. Furthermore, experts performed a single-center real-world perspective study, deploying DeepDR LLM. They compared diabetes management adherence of patients under unassisted physicians with those under the system. Patients with newly diagnosed diabetes with the system showed better self-management behaviors throughout follow-up. For patients with referral DR, those in the management of the system were more likely to adhere to DR referrals. Additionally, DeepDR LLM deployment improved the quality and empathy level of management recommendations. Given its multifaceted performance, we are confident that DeepDR LLM holds promise as a digital solution for enhancing primary diabetes care and DR screening, said Dr. Jia Weiping from Shanghai No. 6 People's Hospital, a leading expert on the project. The research has received wide recognition and was published by the world-leading journal Nature Medicine. Its DeepDR transformer module has been developed and validated in 14 datasets across 5 countries, China, Singapore, India, Thailand and the United Kingdom, with standard fundus images, and 7 datasets across 3 countries, China, Algeria and Uzbekistan, with portable fundus images, experts said. Managing diabetes has seen significant advancements with the help of digital technology. Here are some key innovations. Continuous glucose monitors, CGMs. Real-time monitoring saves a life. Sarah, a 28-year-old graphic designer, was diagnosed with type 1 diabetes at age 12. For years, she managed her condition using traditional fingerstick glucose monitors. One night, while asleep, her blood sugar dropped dangerously low. Unaware and unable to wake up, Sarah's life was at risk. Her family decided it was time to invest in a CGM. The device continuously monitored her glucose levels and sent alerts to her smartphone, as well as to her husband's phone. One night, the CGM detected a severe drop in Sarah's glucose levels and sent an urgent alert. Her husband was awakened by the alarm, rushed to her side, and administered glucose. The CGM's real-time monitoring and alert system saved Sarah's life that night. Insulin pumps. Living freely with automated insulin delivery, Tom, a 45-year-old father of 3, found it challenging to manage his type 2 diabetes while balancing his busy work schedule and family life. He was constantly worried about missing his insulin doses and experienced frequent highs and lows. His endocrinologist recommended an insulin pump integrated with a CGM. The pump automatically adjusted insulin delivery based on his glucose levels, reducing the frequency of highs and lows. Tom could now focus more on his work and family without the constant worry of managing his insulin doses. The automation and convenience provided by the pump drastically improved his quality of life and overall diabetes management. Smart insulin pens. Precision in insulin dosing. Emily, a college student, often found herself forgetting whether she had taken her insulin dose. This led to inconsistent blood sugar levels, affecting her academic performance and social life. Her doctor suggested a smart insulin pen, which tracked her doses and connected to an app on her phone. The app reminded Emily when it was time for her next dose and kept a log of all her injections. With the smart pen, she no longer worried about missed doses. Her blood sugar levels stabilized, allowing her to perform better academically and enjoy her social life without the constant stress of managing her diabetes. Diabetes management apps. Empowerment through data and support. John, a retired teacher, struggled to keep track of his diabetes management routine. He often forgot to log his blood sugar levels, meals, and medication. His daughter introduced him to a diabetes management app called MySugar. The app allowed John to easily log his data and provided insights into his glucose trends. Additionally, the app connected John with a community of other people with diabetes, providing him with much-needed support and encouragement. With the app's help, John felt more in control of his diabetes, leading to better management and an improved sense of well-being. Telemedicine. Accessible healthcare from home during the COVID-19 pandemic. Mark, a 60-year-old with type 2 diabetes, was hesitant to visit his doctor due to health risks. His clinic offered telemedicine consultations, allowing him to speak with his endocrinologist from the safety of his home. Through regular virtual appointments, Mark's doctor could monitor his glucose levels, adjust his medication, and provide dietary advice. The telemedicine platform also allowed Mark to message his doctor with any concerns, ensuring continuous support. This remote care significantly improved Mark's diabetes management and provided peace of mind during uncertain times. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning. Predicting and preventing glucose fluctuations. Laura, a tech-savvy 35-year-old engineer, used a diabetes management app powered by AI. The app analyzed her blood glucose data, dietary habits, and activity levels to predict potential glucose fluctuations. It provided personalized recommendations for meals and exercise to prevent spikes and dips in her blood sugar. One day, the app alerted Laura that her blood sugar might drop after an intense workout she had planned. Following the app's advice, she adjusted her meal timing and avoided a hypoglycemic episode. The AI-driven insights helped Laura maintain better control over her diabetes and avoid potentially dangerous situations. These stories highlight how digital innovations are transforming diabetes management, making it easier, safer, and more personalized for individuals. Digital technology has transformed diabetes management, making it more convenient, personalized, and effective. Thanks for watching. Request you to subscribe the channel.